Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to unhide reels on your Facebook page or Facebook account, I've got you covered. So let's dive straight in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Facebook. On the top right hand side, I'm going to go into account and down to settings and privacy, and then I'm going to look for settings. Once we are in settings, we can literally just look for activity log over here. So let's just type it in. Once you have found activity log, you'll see you can view and manage your activity on Facebook. Let's go in here, and on the left hand side you can go and look for your Facebook activity. Let's go and click on that. Once you're in here, we're going to come down and we will see reels. You can use the drop down menu, and here we want to look for your reels. Okay, so there's a few options, but we're looking for your reels. You'll see all of your reels over here on the main part of this page. On the right hand side, you're going to go and use the three dots, and here you can manage whether they are hidden or unhidden. So let's just say I want to hide from page, and this now is hidden. What we can do, again, three dots, and you can just click on add to page, and this will be then unhidden right over here.